Hey everybody, Braden here at SuperATV. Today I'm going to be showing you how super easy it is to install a flip down windshield on a Kawasaki Mule Pro FXT. Let's get on over here and we'll show you what's in the box. You're going to get your partially assembled windshield, your heavy duty Velcro straps, your 90-degree bulb seal, your bulb seal, your gasket, your U-seal, and of course, full color instructions in the box. Alright, let's get started. Be sure to peel off the protective film on both sides. Now we're going to install our gasket on the lower portion of our windshield. We're going to start on the lower portion of the windshield with our bulb seal here. We're going to run it all the way around to the opposite side. You're going to really ensure that you're pushing it on there. Make sure it's fully seated. Next up, we're going to take our 90-degree bulb seal, run a small portion on the upper lower windshield. Now do the exact same thing on the other side. Alright, now we got the windshield flipped around. We're going to take the bulb seal and run on the upper portion of the windshield. Now do the exact same thing on the opposite side. Now you're going to take your U-seal and install it on the upper portion of the windshield. Next step, you're going to grab a buddy to get the windshield put in place on the machine. You want to ensure that this hook is raised out like that. Alright, now that we got the windshield installed, if you want to fold it down, this is what you'll do. First, start by taking your upper straps off, putting them in a secure location. We're just going to throw them in the glove box. Then, go ahead and remove this strap as well, but we'll want to keep this one handy. If your machine isn't equipped with a factory roof, what you would do is just flip it down. Being ours is, we'll show you what you're going to have to do. You're just going to loosen this lower strap on either side, just enough to slide it down the cage. We'll do the exact same thing on this other side. Now we'll just flip it down. Now we'll take our other strap, run it through here. And tighten it down. That's all it takes to install the SuperATV Flip Down Windshield on this Kawasaki Mule. For more information on this windshield or more of our awesome products, please visit us at superatv.com or call 855-743-3427. Thanks for watching and have a great day.